Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Zane and today we're having a look at PowerPool protocol. Before we get this video started, allow me to declare this video is not financial advice. This video is strictly for entertainment purposes and for educational purposes. We are going to go through a price prediction today, a price analysis as well. So it's actually going to be a really exciting video. So I hope you'll enjoy this video, but let's get started with PowerPool itself. Let's try to understand what exactly it is. PowerPool is a protocol that aims to accumulate governance powers in Ethereum-based protocol. It allows token holders to pool, lend, and borrow governance token and accumulate governance power in protocols. Concentrated voting power is the token used to govern and incentivize users in the PowerPool platform. This concentrated voting power token is the CVP, and the CVP is basically the PowerPool token itself. It currently sits at $2.51 with a max supply of 100 million and a circulating supply of 34.8 million. A really good thing about this token is that it's available on a lot of different exchanges, plenty of platforms that support this token from Binance, Huobi Global, Uniswap, Gate.io, OKEX, SushiSwap, and the list goes on, including CoinX and 1inch Exchange. The list just goes on. For the last 3 months, it was actually relatively stable-ish. It was going up gradually, but it really started to make some big pushes around the end of July. But once it broke through the $1 mark, it seems like it just grew with strength. It had a lot of stability. It had a lot of volume and it had a strong growth, but recently the prices just skyrocketed. Now when I say skyrocket, I mean close to $5 per coin. $4.94 per coin to be exact. That was really extraordinary. But I just wanted to give you a quick understanding of where we are with the token, why the token is doing so well. But now we can actually go back to PowerPool itself to try and understand more about this protocol. Obviously, it's a governance token and it governs the protocol itself. CVP holders vote to approve protocol updates, new indice, and usage of meta governance power. Power agent maintainers use CVP as a deposit and get rewarded in CVP. In addition, protocol fees are distributed to holders staking CVP to XCVP. Now, what exactly is XCVP? It's a treasury contract and an ERC20 token, allowing to stake CVP, participate in governance, and earn protocol fees. This contract collects fees stream from PowerPool products and automatically purchases CVP from the open market, adding to its overall CVP pool and therefore increases its value of the XCVP. So that was a quick look at the tokens themselves. It's really good to understand all the tokens that this protocol have in its ecosystem. Speaking of ecosystem, we will take a look at the partners that are involved as well, because there are plenty of partners, big names that are involved, and it's always good to get a proper understanding of that. Next one I want to understand, Power Agent. Power Agent or PowerPoke automatically execute on-chain maintenance operation such as TWAPs, such as TWAP prices, rebalancing AMM weights, processing batch transactions, and executing asset swaps for XCVP. Now, Power Agent is managed by 2 agents, Poker Agent and Fisherman. Each role is required to stake CVP as a deposit. The address with the largest deposit becomes the Poker Agent, while the rest becomes Fisherman. Now, the Poker Agent is responsible for performing all PowerPokes on-chain operations, while the Fishermen are responsible for slashing the Poker Agents if there's any failure. The Poker Agent and Fishermen are both rewarded for their work in CVP. On the other hand, we've got the decentralized autonomous. The mission is to create short lists of tokens of interest held in various pools vehicles. Quadratic voting consensus, continuous reweighting based on time-delayed flash polls, and multi-chain and multi-layer shortlists, initially Ethereum DeFi and BSC DeFi. So each shortlist responds to one of the three types of generic structures: invested strategies, long bull, currently duplicative, Ethereum only, non-composable pools like PIPT, ASSY, and YETI. Speaking of features, bullish, bearish, neutral strategy, balance your own portfolio to make money in any market. And a new decentralized autonomous organization governance platform allowing XCPV stakers to actively manage their underlying projects collectively. Hedge funds now can be our clients or partners. They've also got upcoming projects, which is really good as well, as new projects merge legacy pools based on Balance V2. And the PP DeFi itself, that's new DeFi blue chips, ETF like product replicating the composition of existing synthetics, SDeFi that tracks the 20 top DeFi tokens, but synthetically without rewards or future meta governance bonuses. By mirroring it, PP DeFi pools, investors will have flexible operation to hedge or not against steep decline in the capital value of their broadly diversified DeFi. But in and around June and July is where the volume really started to take a turn. Now I'd say from this stage it went from strength to strength. Eventually at the end of August it actually hit a price of $1.88. And towards the start of September it actually hit a price of $2 for this crypto during the last few months. During the last 3 to 4 months. But what was even more extraordinary is that it took a huge dip in the price. It went down less than $1, whereas around $2.40 it actually went down to a price of $1.80, and it hit an all-time high for the last 3 months, which is really extraordinary because this happens to be $4.80. This happens to be over $4.90. This was really great. This was really impressive. And it needed to accomplish this. But what did we saw immediately was that there was a huge retraction, a huge correction in the price. It got extremely close to $5. And that was great for a lot of people, for a lot of investors. So naturally, they did what they thought was best for them. But I actually truly think that if this crypto got this close to $5, which is really extraordinary, really rare thing to do, I think it can get a hell of a lot closer. But this is part of my price prediction. I think that the price can definitely be between $5 and $10 before the end of this year. From less than $1 to $4.90, it accomplished this in a matter of 3 months. In fact, it accomplished this less than 3 months because the last time it was below $1 was the 20th of July. We're coming towards the end of September now. That is less than 3 months. It's gone from less than $1 to $4.90. So my prediction that it could be between $5 and $10 before the end of this year doesn't seem that crazy anymore, does it? I mean, just let me know. Am I in the wrong, or do I make sense? Because I think this makes sense. Now, we do have a bear market on the approach. Cryptos are going down in volumes. They're going down. The entire market is going down in volume just a little bit. So we're definitely on the approach to a bearish market. The hype has sort of died down from August and September. It's definitely going to have a huge elevation before the start of the year. That's the market in total. And you can clearly see that a crypto that goes from less than $1 to $4.90, I'm showing you a lot of volume. The growth is extremely strong. It takes a lot of strong positions, a lot of strong growth, a lot of belief. Because while the rest of the market is going through a bit of a retraction, a bit of a pullback, only a couple of days ago, it hit $4.90. This was on the 26th of September. So this was my video on the price analysis and price prediction and what is PowerPool itself. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Subscribe to see more, leave a like, leave a comment, and of course, I will see you in my next videos.